think you're just filling out a form to get help with your child's expenses, but buried in the fine print is a contract that changes everything. In part 4 of our series, we are exposing the Title 4D trap and how the state tricks you into their collection business. A case becomes a Title 4D case in one of two ways. If you get public aid, like TANF or Medicaid, you are automatically referred. But for everyone else, the state markets free or low-cost enforcement services. On average, it costs as little as $25 to $35 to apply. It sounds like a deal, but you aren't just getting a service. You are entering a federal-state partnership. When you sign that IVD application, you agree to cooperate with the state prosecutor or attorney general. This gives the state the power to use aggressive enforcement, like license suspensions and jail time, even if you and the other parent want to handle things privately. You are no longer the one in charge of the case. The state is. Why do they want you in the system so badly? Because for every $3 the state spends on your IVD case, the federal government reimburses them $2. It's called open-ended matching. There is no ceiling. The more cases they open, the more federal money they pull in to fund their agencies, courts, and prosecutors. Here is the ultimate trap. The IVD agency does not represent you. There is no attorney-client privilege. They act in the public interest, which often just means maximizing the state's bottom line. In many states, once you're in, it's incredibly hard to close the case if the state claims there is any debt or interest owed. They need your signature to keep the federal funding flowing. Don't sign anything until you know exactly whose interest they are serving. Comment contract below for part 5, where we reveal how parents are starting to challenge these jurisdictions and fight back against this.